Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the Losi 8ight XTE ready to run version. I've made a couple videos so far on explaining how this truck is and how much I like it. But there's one part that really bugs me about the truck, and that is the battery tray. Today I'm going to show you a trick on how to fix that and make it hold batteries better. So these straps are poorly designed, especially in how they fit into this battery tray. Because the strap slots are on the side here, the strap isn't long enough really. They don't even touch the buckle. So this is a poor design, and I'm gonna try something today to see if I can fix it. So I'm not really sure if this is gonna work, but the thought is that if you make holes on the sides and on the edge here down low, the strap will have less sort of travel to go around and loop together. So perhaps the same length strap might work if I do it like that. We'll see. If you don't have a rotary tool like this, then you wouldn't be able to do this. I picked up this one for 40 bucks on Amazon. These can also come in handy with stripped nuts and bolts and trying to get those off, so I would actually recommend those in your tool kit for RCs if you don't already have one. Okay, so here we go. We got the battery straps out, and I'm gonna try to put a nice line on each side here, low enough that can hopefully help extend the length of these straps. Here we go. All right, so here we go. I got the strap in there. I had to cut these slots bigger than I originally thought because it was really hard to get those in, but now that I have them in, let's see if this battery fits. Okay, I can already tell that's better. Nice, look at that. That did it. Just that little change made a huge difference in the length of the strap there. So I'm gonna do that for the other two. So look at that, beautiful. This did so much better than the other straps before, and all it took was those slots. Boom, beauty. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Please try this method, or let me know if there's a method you know of that's better. Until next time, take care.